Hello guys, making some goat's milk soap today, and I got my goat's milk. I like to use this type of goat milk because the other powder stuff is basically hydrated and it takes away the fat that I like in the soap, more or less likely for facial. So let me just measure this and I will be right back. Alright, I've got my milk poured out, and what I'm going to do is put it in, I'm going to freeze it, put it in my ice tray and freeze it. And then I will bring you back after, oh, of course I have to spill this. After this is hard, I will bring you back. Hi guys, okay, I am preparing to make the goat's milk soap, and I'm going to teach you how to add your lye to your goat milk. This is ice cubes, and this is what you call an ice bath. Oh. This is, I'm preparing an ice pack. If I have any ice in here. Okay, so this is ice. This is what you call an ice pack. And this is the measured out goat's milk. Sorry. And this goat's milk, I will not buy this brand ever again, because honestly, I question this goat milk. Like, really, what are you giving me here? Oh. And I weighed this before measuring it out. Okay. So all the amounts of what's supposed to be in, the replacement of the water is in here. Okay, so I don't like my goat's milk to, I have on fairly big gloves here. I don't like my goat milk to scorch. I really don't like it. I dislike scorched goat's milk. So what you do now is, my lye is in here. And I'm going to add my lye a little bit at a time. And I just sprinkle it on the, and stir that in. And it's going to melt the goat milk because lye is fairly, that's what it does. It heats things up. I haven't made a goat's milk soap in such a long time. Ooh, okay. It takes a little while to get this done, so you gotta be fairly patient with this. Oh, the sunshine is coming out. That's nice. Okay. I haven't made soaps for the new year. This is my first soap for the new year. Yay! As you can see, it's liquefying. I think I did replace 85% or so of the water. Yeah, about 85%. With goat's milk. That's what I did too. See that? It's all melting. I still have quite a bit to go. It's almost there. I just have a few little tiny pieces left. So yay. Okay, that's fairly all melted except for a few little pieces, which the rest of my I'll take it out the ice at this point. Don't need the ice. And voila. See, not scorch, no burning, no scorching, and it does not even smell. Let me tell you guys, there's no There's no smell because of how cold it is. And it's 81 Fahrenheit. It's at 81. Okay, so that is how you add, if you don't want your goat milk to scorch, that is how you add your lye to your goat milk. Okay guys, so I will be making the soap now, and you can join me for that video coming up.